I'm trying out the new formula from Gwen Stefani's Give line. Ooh, look at that reflect. This packaging is something else. It's beautiful gold with the Give logo. Be careful. I tilted mine without realizing how liquidy it was, and it came out everywhere. So I love a red lip, but they're oftentimes hard to wear because they go everywhere. Okay. Gwen nails this red color. I mean, it's perfect. This is stunning. The amazing thing about it, it is so comfortable. The Maybelline vinyl inks are Longwear and beautiful, but they're a little bit kind of sticky-ish, but they do wear well and kind of leave a stain. This doesn't budge and stays shiny. Okay, this is the Xtra Sauce vinyl Longwear liquid lipstick from Give, the new Gwen Stefani shade. Of course, his original recipe. That's the first shade she releases in all of the formulas. It is shiny, long wearing, stunning, and doesn't budge. Look at that. That's just the red of my, like the pink of my hand. Here. Let's do it right here. Nothing there. You see me touching it. This is my favorite of the formulas she has come out with. I really hope she comes out with way more shades in this formula. It's so much more comfortable than the matte version. I'm kind of living for it.